Children, are you ready? Children, are you ready for a meeting over yonder? For a meeting over yonder. All the boys and girls are gonna be there. Young and old, weak, strong are gonna be there. So, children, are you ready? Children, are you ready for the meeting over yonder? For the meeting over yonder. And I do what you ought to do.